Welcome to question 6 part A. Now in this question we're given that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is identical to 1, and we've got to show that we can get cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta also identical to 1 from this identity. So what I'm going to do is divide each term by sine squared theta, so we'll have sine squared theta divided by sine squared theta plus, then we have cos squared theta also divided by sine squared theta is identical to 1 also over sine squared theta. So that's the first part. Now all we need to do is just simplify each of the three terms. So sine squared theta over sine squared theta is 1, and then we have plus cos squared theta over sine squared theta is cot squared theta, and this is identical to 1 over sine squared theta, which is cosec squared theta. Now when I look at what I've got to prove, I can see that I'm very close. All I need to do is subtract cot squared theta from both sides. So if I do that and also rearrange at the same time, I would end up with cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta is identical to 1. And that is what we have to prove. So that's the end of part A. Moving on to part B, we have to prove an identity, and the identity is cosec to the power 4 of theta minus cot to the power 4 of theta is identical to cosec squared theta plus cot squared theta. So just mark that in, and we offer up a proof. So it said hence or otherwise, so hence would seem to suggest that part A had something to do with this proof, and indeed it has. I noticed that cosec to the 4 theta minus cot to the 4 theta is the difference minus the difference of two squares. This is the square of cosec squared theta, and this is the square of cot squared theta. So I can factorize this using the difference of two squares. So what we get is that if we consider the left hand side, we see that this is identical when factorized to cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta times cosec squared theta plus cot squared theta. Okay, so we move on. What's this identical to? Well, from part A, we see that cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta was identical to 1, so we can write 1 in that place, and we'll just keep that the same, so it'll be times cosec squared theta plus cot squared theta. Okay, and obviously 1 times this is just going to leave us with cosec squared theta plus cot squared theta. And there we have it. That's identical to the right hand side.